Good morning, teacher.
I am Suha Younes, an English teacher. We are here in the English educational platform. I am so happy for coming here with you. If you remember, in the first session, I did a writing session about restaurants, and in the second time I came to here, did a reading session about the computer games. Now we want to do something different. I wish you to get benefit and enjoyment in our lesson. Yes. Speak up. Speak up.
I will help you. I will help you.
Thank you. Yes, come, go to your desk. Sarah, when you say I will help you, is your decision you arranged for it from yesterday?
No.
For example, yesterday evening you sit here on your living room and you say, tomorrow I will help Hiba?
No.
How is your decision? Is it arranged?
No, it is a decision.
It's spontaneous.
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Now let's speak about future forms. Yes, our lesson today about future forms. Yes, first of all, I want you to read these sentences and discuss these sentences with each other. Please, Ranim, begin reading the first sentence.
I am buying a new computer game at the weekend.
Thank you. Can you tell me where is the verb in this sentence?
Buying. I am buying.
I am buying, yes. What is the form of this sentence?
Subject, verb be, and verb ing.
Yes. What is the form? What I call it? Present
simple,
present
continuous.
Yes?
Continuous.
Present continuous. Thank you. Who can tell me about the second sentence? Yes, Hiba.
We are finished our tomorrow after school.
Yes, tell me what is the form of this sentence?
Are finishing.
Are finishing. Thank you. Yes, sentence 3. Yes, Nada.
I'm going to win next time.
I am going to beat. I am going to win next time. Yes. What is the form?
I'm going.
I am going. Thank you.
Continue.
I am going to. Can you tell me about this form? Verb.
Verb to be.
Then.
Verb ing.
Then going to. Then. After two. After two.
Verb
How is the
infinitive.
verb? How is the verb? How is the verb? Is it verb 1?
Going
verb
to
2?
win.
Verb 1.
Verb 1.
Verb 1. After 2.
Verb 0.
Verb 0. Infinitive. Yes, verb 0. What about sentence 4? Who can tell me? Yes, Dima.
I'm going to beat the highest score.
Yes. Explain for me the form.
Subject, verb ing, present continuous.
Yes, verb to be.
Verb
then
to
going
be,
to. Yes.
Verb 0 after that.
After 2. Thank you. What about sentence 5? Yes.
Computer
Characters.
Characters will have conversation with each other.
Thank you very much. Yes, tell me, how is the form of the future here?
Will and have conversation.
Yes. Will plus have. Have, is it in the 0 form or verb 1 or 2 or 3 or what?
Verb 0.
0 form, yes. Who can tell me about the last one? Yes, Hiba.
Games won't be as cheap as they are now.
Yes. Won't be. What is won't be?
Will that not?
Will plus not. Plus verb.
Plus 0.
0. Thank you very much. What do you think here? After these 6 sentences, what are the 3 forms of the future? What are the 3 forms of the? How can I express future? Yes, Ranim.
Will plus verb 0
or
going to
plus
verb 0
or
present continuous with meaning future.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So this is what we mean by forms of the future. Now tell me about these 6 sentences. In which sentences are people talking about what they intend to do? Do you know the meaning of intend? Intend?
No.
Intend. When I want to do something, I have the intention in my heart.
Yes.
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 Which sentences tell us about what they intend to do from these 6? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6? Tell me.
1 and 2.
No. Yes?
5 and 6.
5 and 6 have the meaning of intention?
No.
Which one have the meaning? Which two sentences have the meaning of intention?
3 and 4.
Yes, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 have the meaning of intention because they contain going to.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right? Tell me now about which sentences
Already
are
arranged.
people talking about what they have already arranged to do. In which two sentences they are speaking about arrangement?
1 and 2.
1 and 2, thank you very much. Yes, 1 and 2 are about arrangement. 3 and 4 about what?
Intention.
Intention. What about 5 and 6?
Prediction.
Maybe, yes, tell me.
Prediction.
Prediction, yes, thank you. So if I ask you in which sentences are people talking about what they expect to happen,
Yes.
so in sentences,
Yes.
5
5 and 6.
5 and 5 and 6. Thank you very much. Do you know now the meaning of, or how can we do the negative and the question? Do you know how can we do the negative and the question of these sentences?
Yes.
Do you have any idea? For example, if I say to you, I am buying a new car, how can I do the negative? Yes.
I'm not buying a new computer
Yes.
game.
What about sentence 2?
We aren't finishing our game tomorrow
Thank you.
after school.
Yes, Sarah, tell me about number 4. How can I do the negative?
I'm not going to win next time.
Yes.
I'm not going to beat the huge
Highest score.
the
Highest score. Yes, Nada, tell me about
Computer directors
5.
won't have a conversation.
Yes.
With
So
each
won't is the
Will
short
bl-
form of
Negative.
will not.
Will
Yes.
plus not.
Yes. Here it's negative. Change it into affirmative.
Games
Will.
will be.
Yes. Thank you. Now I want you to see this video about negative and the question for these 3. You are talking to me about the negative. Now let's listen. Let's see the negative and the question of these 3 forms.
Simple future tense. Simple future is used to refer to actions that will happen in the future. There are 2 patterns in making a sentence in simple future. These are through using will and be going to. Let's start with will. In making a positive simple future statement using will, the pattern is subject plus will plus verb in base form. Examples: you will buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. You and they are the subjects, will buy and attend are the verbs in base forms. For negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus will not or won't plus verb in base form. Remember that won't is a contraction of will not. Examples: you will buy new shoes. You won't buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. They won't attend class tomorrow. And for the question, the structure is will plus subject plus verb in base form. Examples: you will buy new shoes. Will you buy new shoes? They will attend class tomorrow. Will they attend class tomorrow? The pattern is still much the same. However, we put will before the sentence this time. Be going to. In making a positive simple future statement using be going to, the pattern is subject plus am, is, or are for the be verbs, plus going to, plus verb in base form. Examples: she is going to visit her brother in Canada.
What is the meaning of past
I
form?
am going to call her.
Going to the
Verb 0.
Verb
She
0. Past form, verb
and
0.
I are the subjects, plus is and am for the be verbs, plus going to, plus visit and call for our verbs.
Yes.
For the negative sentence, the pattern is
Yes.
subject plus am, is, or are not plus going to.
Now, what about will? When I have will, is there any special expressions that I must use when I use will?
Yes.
What are they? We have 6 expressions. What are they? 3 verbs and 3 adverbs. What are they? Who can tell me? Yes?
Predict, think, expect, definitely, probably,
possible.
and possible.
Yes. Repeat, please, the adverbs.
Expect, think, predict, definitely, probably, possibly.
Thank you. Ranim, read the sentence.
I expect or think or predict that laptop computers will get smaller and more powerful.
Yes. Because we have the expression expect and think and predict. Can we put after these 3 expressions going to?
No.
Can we put present continuous?
No.
What we should do?
Will.
We should put do. Will. What about the second sentence? Yes, Dima.
Laptop computer will definitely, probably, possibly get cheaper. Everyone will have one.
Do you agree with him? Is it definitely or probably or possibly? Do you agree with this sentence?
No.
What do you think? Everyone will have a laptop?
No.
Do you think that? I think here the writer is optimistic. Yes. Definitely, probably, possibly. Why? What is the difference between definitely, probably, possibly? What is the difference? They give us the degree of our certainty of something. For example, definitely, what is the percent of our certainty?
100.
100%. Yes, thank you, Ranim. What about probably?
Maybe.
70? Maybe, possibly, maybe 50, maybe. Yes, so definitely, probably, possibly give us the degree how certain I am of this prediction. Yes? Do you know that? Look at your books, at the pictures about the mobile and the laptops, or give me any sentence, not from the pictures. Give me sentences that can give us prediction. Can you? Speak about the pictures. Here, these pictures, you know them. Tell me. They speak about laptop. Tell me, for example, about mobile phone. What do you predict mobile phone will be in the future? Yes, raise your hand. Come on, where are you? Yes, Iba.
I accept the camera will get more modern and clearer.
Clearer. Thank you very much. She gave us a prediction about the camera, the future of camera. What about you? Yes, where are you? Sarah, you want to speak? Who? Dima, you want to speak?
Yes. I predict the mobile phone will get bigger and more modern.
Thank you. Yes, you speak about the mobile phone. Do you have any predictions about anything?
No.
For example, about education in Syria. Do you have any prediction about education in Syria?
No.
You don't have any prediction?
I think the education of Syria will get more modern.
More modern or be more better? How it's be modern education? يعني you think you will it will improve? It will get better?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Get better.
Yes, thank you. Now let's go to the last one. Or before that, I will make you listen to a song.
Yes.
Because I think that I are bored. Are you bored?
No.
Are you bored?
No.
No.
It's
With
I
this
think-
song, maybe you will be refreshing. Yes. You can sing if you want. You can sing with the song. You can.
Will fly, you will fly too. He will fly in business class, she will fly in first class. It will fly below a sea, we will fly over the sea. You will fly, they will fly too. Fly. You will fly business class. She's gonna fly in first class. It's gonna fly below a sea. We're gonna fly over the sea. You are gonna fly. They will fly too. I am gonna fly. You will fly too. We will fly.
Do you like the song?
Yes, very interesting.
You want to fly? You like to fly like them?
Yes.
In the class or in the business class or under seat?
And
Under seat?
in the business
Business class. What will fly under seat? What? The dog? You didn't notice the dog?
No.
The dog will fly under seat. You didn't notice, I think. Yes. Now let's continue our discussion about what? About what?
Plan.
We are thinking about what? Talking about what? Are you sleeping not today?
No.
We are speaking about what? About what?
Future.
Yes. If you forget, I will remind you.
Yes.
Now we spoke about will. We spoke about
Going to.
Or we didn't
Going
spoke about going. No, we will go.
Yes.
Yes.
Present.
Yes. Other ways for future going to or present continuous. When do I use present continuous in the meaning of the future? And when do I use going to in the meaning of the future? What do you think? At the beginning, we spoke a little about that. What do you think, Sarah?
I use going to plan and intention.
Intentions, yes. When we are going to speak about a plan or intention, I use going to. Yes?
Yes.
I'm going to play football on Saturday, for example. But what about the arrangement? Yes.
Present. We are use the present continuous to arrangement. Example, I'm playing football on
So,
Saturday.
thank you very much. So, I will ask you, what are your plans and arrangement for next weekend?
Plan
Tell me.
or arrangement.
Yes. What are your plans or arrangements for your next week?
And going to?
Yeah, I don't know. You should know.
Okay.
Arrangement and plans. What should you do? What should you use? Tell me. Yes, Sarah.
I am going to study the next holiday
Because exam, is it near or not near? Is the
Very near.
Yes, it's I thank you very much for coming here because the exam is next week.
Yes.
I am so grateful for you. Yes, I am thankful for you. Yes, Sarah said she is going to study for the exam in the weekend. What about you, Hiba?
I am going to win, and you next day.
Win? Win what?
One.
What do you mean by win?
Win.
Compete
Yes.
or study English? I didn't understand you. Dima, what about you?
I'm going to study.
Study, also study. I want full marks if you are going to study and study and study and study. I want full marks. Okay? Yes. What about you, Rani? What are you going to do in the weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandmother.
Oh, no matter. Don't care for exam. Don't care. She is going to go to visit her grandmother. Yes. What are your plans and arrangements for your next holiday or the holiday? Maybe they are speaking about the middle holiday between the two terms, maybe, or about the summer holiday, as you like. Answer me. Tell me, please. Go on. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Please, come on. Yes.
I am going to play swimming.
I am going to play. What do you? I ask you about your plans and arrangements. Yeah, or you should say I am playing or I am going to play. What do you see?
I am playing.
Yes.
I am playing tennis. This
holiday. This holiday. Thank you. Who else? Yes, Dima.
I'm read poetry.
I am reading.
I'm reading poetry.
And I am reading poetry.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm reading poetry. Yes, Hiba.
I am listening music.
I am listening to music. Yes. What about you, Hiba?
I'm visiting the Umayyad Mosque.
I am visiting the Umayyad Mosque. What about you, Nada? Where are you?
I'm staying in home.
I'm staying on home. She missed the home, her home. She wants to make her family see her. Yes. What about you, Rani?
I'm going with my friend.
Ranim don't care for anything. Ranim is going to visit her friend. Thank you. The last question I will ask you about your own ideas. What do you intend to do when you leave school? What do you intend to do when you leave school? Intend, when I say intend, what do you think? Will, going to, or present continuous? Tell me, raise your hands, go on. Yes, Hiba?
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Tell me answer. Tell me an answer. Intend. Intend. When we speak about intend, here, intention, what do we use? Yes, Dima?
I'm going to be a nurse.
I am going to be a nurse. Dima speaking is about leaving school and going to university. She is going to be a nurse. Yes. Maybe you can answer me in another point of view. Maybe you can say when you leave school at 2 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, every day leaving. Yes. What about you, Hiba?
I'm going to go to the university.
I'm going to go to the university. What about you? Tell me what is your intentions, your plans? Yes.
I'm going to eat breakfast.
I am going to eat breakfast after you leave.
After you leave.
Yes, thank you. She is speaking about the everyday living.
Yes.
What about you all? Tell me your plans. Don't hide me your intentions. Please tell me. Yes, Hiba.
I am going to play
I am going to play what?
volleyball.
Volleyball. Thank you. Yes, Hiba.
I'm going to be a doctor.
I am going to be a doctor. Thank you very much. Now let's see this video. I like this video because it gives us an additional point of view not mentioned in the book about will. Be careful to tell me about it. Yes, I will ask you. Don't sleep. Don't sleep during the video. Yes.
Future tense. To speak about the future, you can use the following phrases. 1. Will. 2. Going plus infinitive verb. 1. Use will when you are volunteering to do something in the future, or when you are deciding at the time of speaking to do something in the future. Equal, a decision is made to do an action in the future. Example: okay, if no one else will cook dinner, I will. In this example, the phrase will is used because the speaker is volunteering to cook dinner. Wow, the grass is getting tall. I think I will cut it tomorrow. In this example, the phrase will is used because the decision to cut the grass tomorrow is being made at the time of speaking. Example: will you marry me? In this example, the phrase will is used because the decision to marry is being made at the time of speaking. I am feeling energetic, so I think I shall wash my hair. It has been decided that we are going to climb Mount Everest tomorrow. I shall come with you. We have decided that we are going to enjoy. Tonight seems like a nice night to be outside. I think I shall go for a walk after dinner. Have you thought about what you want to do after college? Yes, I have decided that I am going to become an engineer. I guess I will help you clean the kitchen if no one else will. My car tire looks low on air. I think I will fill them up at the next gas station. The weatherman said it is going to rain tomorrow. Okay, I have an idea. After playing the game, we will get some ice cream. I think my dad said we are going to the beach this weekend.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com.
Yes, what do you notice? What do you notice about the decisions with will? Are they arranged before or they are spontaneous? Like when Sarah came to help Hiba. What do you think?
Spontaneous.
When someone say, I am feeling energetic, I will clean the car.
Yes.
When someone say, I see the grass are long, I will cut them. You notice?
Yes.
Tell me about at the beginning. At the beginning of the video. What do we have at the beginning of the video? When the mother said, if no one will cook, I will cook. She will cook. They said we speak well with when we want to do something as a volunteer. What is the meaning of a volunteer? Volunteer. Someone who do something without being asked or without being forced. Yeah. Volunteer. Do you understand the meaning of volunteer or not so much?
Yes.
Volunteer. Volunteer. You understand it?
Yes.
When someone do something without being forced. Without being forced, yes? So one of the uses of will to express something in the future that as I am a volunteer, yes? Thank you. Now I want to be sure that you understand our lesson. How? By these balloons. Please bring these balloons to the middle of the table. Put them in the middle of the table. I want everyone, I have here, how many balloons? How many balloons?
Six balloons.
How many students you are?
Six
students. I want every one of you to what? To answer about one question of every balloon. In every balloon, I have a question. Do you have? Yes, Abin. Yes, thank you. We'll begin with Sarah. Maybe here are surprises.
Yes.
Are you ready for the surprises? No, don't be afraid. It's only questions. Yes, Sarah, begin with the yellow. Which one? Which color do you choose? Yellow. Oh my God. Are you frightened? Yes. What is the question?
When I am at university, I am going to
choose the question. Choose. Choose. What is the question?
Continue.
Continue. Tell us what is the question. We don't know what is written here. Continue. Continue. Continue this sentence. Repeat and raise your. Speak up.
Continue. When I am at university, I am going to.
To what?
I am going to study. Then.
Maybe how many hours in a day? Or maybe what are you going to study? Science, medicine?
I am going to study English.
You are going to study, really?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Because you say that, I will give you this thing. Superior, you were superior. Thank you. Clap to her, clap to her, clap. Thank you. Whose turn? Nada? Yes. Nada, which color you want to choose?
Red.
Red, yes. Pink? Pink. I see a pink one. Yes. Tell us what is your question, and hurry up.
Choose. I'm having an interview at the University of Damascus next week.
What do you choose? What are the choices? Repeat the choices.
I will have or I'm having.
What do you think?
I'm having.
I'm having. Why?
Because next week.
Yes, you arranged for doing that. Thank you very much. Clap to her. Very nice. Yes, thank you. Hiba, yes. Take which color? Blue. Give her the balloons. Yes. Oh my God. Are you ready for the sound every time? Every 1 minute? Anyone here frightened? No one.
What is your motto in life?
What is your motto in life? It's a special question for you. What is your motto in life? Do you know? Do you know the meaning of motto? No. Motto is something that we call a special rule I take in my life. Special rule, motto. Yes. You understand somehow what is the meaning of rule? For example, I tell you, do you want to tell you my motto when I was at baccalaureate? Or you speak first?
My motto is flow.
You didn't understand me, I think. Do you understand the meaning of motto?
Yes.
Yes. Of life.
Motto.
يعني شعار.
Yes.
Yes. What is your motto in life? For example, when I was in a baccalaureate, I have a motto. listen to it to try to think of your motto. I think your motto should be clear in your mind, not to create it now. Yes?
My friend, this friend, my important in lead.
Friendship is something important for our.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Yes, what is there anybody here would like to tell us about her motto? I will tell you about my motto. When I was at the baccalaureate, my motto was being a distinct person in a normal field. That's better being a distinct person in a normal field. Do you understand anything? I will repeat. being a distinctive person in a normal field.
Yes.
That is better than being a normal person in a distinctive field. Maybe somebody think that medicine is the top or the perfect or the most important university or section in the university. Yes?
Yes.
But he is lazy. He is not so active. Being in, for example, in another field, for example, English department or anyone, and being active and distinctive, that's better.
Yes.
Don't understand from me that medicine is bad and English is better or no. Every person should be successful in his or in her field. Yes?
Yes.
I will give you something. Well done. Thank you. Yes, Dima, what's your favorite color?
Fuchsia.
Pink. Dark pink. Yes, hurry up. What is your question? And what is your answer? Here. Hurry up.
You are lucky you don't have any question.
You are lucky you don't have any question. Wow. She's lucky she didn't have any question. You are... I didn't have one that is... You are superior. Really, you are superior because you are lucky. Yes, what about your question, Ranim? Yes, Ranim? Are you afraid? Hurry up.
Very.
She is afraid. What is your question? Yes, tell me. Hurry up.
Do you enjoy and understand the future form really? Yes, I.
Tell me the truth. I didn't.
No.
I
Yes,
didn't-
I am very.
I won't shout on you after lesson. Tell the truth.
Truth, very.
Yes. Do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Do you enjoy it? Do you like the
yes.
balloons? Do you like the balloons, or you became afraid?
I love balloons, but I don't like.
I like your smile in the lesson. Yes. What about Hiba? The last question. Yes. Very nice. Your speaking is very nice. Yes. Yes. What is the last question for our session?
Choose. I will, or I'm being, or I'm going to be, probably be nervous at the university. I will.
Repeat, please, the question. Pay attention to her. Yes.
I will, or I'm being, or I'm going to be, probably be nervous.
Yes, you choose will. Why will? Because there is
probably.
the expression. Yes. Thank you. You are smart. Thank you. Clap to her. And clap to Dima. You didn't clap to you. Thank you very much, my students. And I wish you to get benefit and enjoyment in this session. Thank you.
Thanks, Miss.
You're welcome.